Hi guys, it's Angie, and I'm coming today to do a DT share with you. I am sorry that it's been a minute since I've been here. Where I live, we are in extreme forest fires, and it doesn't look like they're going to let up anytime soon, which is pretty sad. I'm still in a safe area, but the people up the road, a few miles up the road, have evacuated. They are trying their hardest to save their homes, would be devastating. It's devastating to see your forest, on fire, but it is what it is, and we just try to get through it. And more than anything, we're suffering through over here is the extreme poor air quality. So I've been staying kind of locked up inside, and it's summer, but you can't go outside and breathe this horrible smoke. So I have been using my time wisely, and I decided to do something different with Tracie Digitals. And if you do not follow Tracie, please follow her. I have all her links and social media down below. And today I used her entomology labels. Sorry. Entomology labels, and she has made a lot of smaller ones, but she kind of went big this time. Let me see. Let me measure these for you. They're about 3 inches, well, let's see, a little under 3 inches by 2. And let's see, this one is like 1 7/16 by 2. We'll just go with that. And then the size of this little wall hanging is, let's see, about 5.5 by, let's just go 8. Round it off to 8. So yeah, so I took a piece of old wood. We have some old wood out here where I live on our property. And I just took a piece of that. I had my husband cut it, and then it's really old vintage wood. It's just beautiful wood. It's already all, textured and layered for you. And so then I painted it and just made it all grungy. I've been pouring out color like crazy, so when Tracie came out with these, I was like excited. So I was like, I'm gonna try neutrals, and it was actually kind of not difficult, but I just had to get back into it, and I still love my neutrals, so that was fun. And then the next thing I did, I always like to wrap wire or string around a lot of my work. So this was wire this time. It's kind of just like an X. And then there's the back of it there. It's secured very well. And then the next layer were these, I don't know what these are, you guys. They're just rusty bits. I collect a lot of rusty metal. And so that just kind of added to it. And then the next layer was the labels. And I backed them. I did a tutorial. I'll try to remember to put that down below on how I back these with these. This is with faux metal, like a metal tape, but I also did them with a soda can. And so what you have to do if you do this with the tape, you're gonna have to double it up. So that's what I did, because these are wider than the tape. So it ended up working out fine. You can't see the seam. It's perfect. Then I antiqued it with some alcohol inks, and then what next did I do? I put encaustic wax. This is the authentic encaustic wax. This is not beeswax. If you want this high shine, you have to use actual encaustic wax. It has a Damar resin in it, which actually gives you more, it's more stable, and it gives you that polished shine if you want, and I could sit there and buff that all day. And then, what else did I do next? I added this little rusty spring. I've been wanting to use a spring for a long time. I have a ton of them and haven't really used them, so that spring kind of looked really cool there. So this is a wall hanging. It was a lot of fun, so thank you so much, Tracie. I think I've been on your design team for like 2 or 3 years now. It's been a while. So thank you so much for keeping me on board. I have a lot of fun. Your digitals are great. You're an amazing artist, so I look forward to new digitals when you come out and working with them. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, safe summer wherever you're at. We need rain, and others do not need so much rain. So yeah, so let's try to get through this the best that we can. Stay positive, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.